This is OnePlus 11, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to begin with, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi cellular data in Bluetooth. Then among the control panel shortcuts, look for the one that says nearby share. It should be somewhere over here by default, but if it's not, we can just enter the list of unused shortcuts, or in this particular case you gotta tap at the three vertical buttons to your top right and go for the edit tiles option. And among the more functions list, just let's find the one that will show nearby share. Here it is. Now drag it to the list of actually active and used icons and just quit this menu. Now the shortcut for the nearby share is here. You can touch and hold onto its icon, turn it on by enabling this use nearby share toggle over here, and well, at this point you are more or less ready to use it, but there are quite a few other configurations that you can make. For example, you can rename your device or set a custom alias for it to be displayed under for other devices in the same network, should it be nearby share or some other wireless network. So I'll just rename or set its nickname to be OnePlus 11, not an original one, but well, definitely a very comprehensive one. In here onwards, you can turn on or turn off the device visibility, and once visible you can also change the mode in which it is visible. You can make it so that your OnePlus will be only discoverable by your devices or the devices that have the same Google account signed into, or make it so that it will be visible only to your contacts or simply to everyone who is in range. So the final thing that you can change is which particular data protocol or data type will be used for the file transfer, and at this point you're all set and ready to use it. So I happen to have another device on my hands right now, so I will try to share this screenshot to my OnePlus through the, well, you guessed it, nearby share, and see how well it performs. So as you can see, my OnePlus has gotten successfully discovered. Now I gotta tap on it, then accept the file transfer at the receiver's end, and wait for my picture to get sent and received respectively. Like that, you can send pretty much any file, should it be image, video, GIF, animation, audio file, document, whatever is that you can share, you can send through the nearby share feature. So usually it takes a brief second for this transfer to happen, but this time something seems to go wrong, because as you can see at the Motorola end everything is more or less good, and it registers the fact that the file was sent and received, and in here we do not see any progress so far. So these things happen, do not be afraid. Sometimes it glitches out. It's not that common as you might think, but still might occur from time to time. So I will cancel the transfer and try resending this image. So will perform all the same steps and see if it will work second time around. Yep, as I've already mentioned, sometimes lags they happen, so just cancel the transfer and resend the file, and well, here you have the screenshot or image that we were transferring. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.